Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. This is just going to be a quick one. Quick Shopcard shout out for Jason over there at Klein Race Car Design. Guys, if you're not subscribed to Jason, you need to go check out his channel. Not only does he do really awesome model builds, but he also does it with real one-to-one cars and hot rods. So go check out his channel. Just amazing stuff happening over there. I will put a link to his channel in the description if I don't forget. And Jason, just want to say thank you for the nice words on the back. And yeah, guys, I'm leaning towards the other abandoned project that I had, and that's the 55 Chevy that I'm building to more or less be a replica of my buddy's one-to-one 55 Chevy. So when I get some progress on that, I will do a video on it. But yeah, I just real quick, I wanted to thank everybody for the real nice comments and all that on the 50 Chevy Pro Street. That was a lot of fun, and like I say, last night it was kind of a bummer when it was done. But anyway, is what it is. Time to move on to the next project. Hope you all are having a great day, and we'll see you on the next one. Bye-bye.